Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Again, I'm on Osborne, and I was right here at Glasgow and Osborne, right beside the Winnipeg Transit Station. And I noticed that there was a variance sign put up indicating that there is a apartment commercial or residential commercial building being applied for here. And they have lowered the maximum height that it was going to be, but that's still up for appeal. I'll give you a little bit more information down below, but this is a little vacant lot that's been here for quite a while. I think there was a gas station here at one time, but if you remember what was here, please let me know. And probably in the near future, look for a residential commercial building starting here. Have a great day. Bye.